This is a video demonstration of Lab 2C Wiring PLC IO. Here, these output devices are connected to this PLC program via this output module. Likewise, input devices such as these push buttons and these sensors are connected to this PLC program via this input module. So any changes made in these output devices will be reflected on this input module based on the feedback of these sensors. Now I'm going to change the state of the output devices by changing their associated values on these controller tags. For example, this O3.0 is connected to the cycle active light. If I set this to 1, the cycle active light turns on, a green light turns on this output module as well. And if I set it back to 0, the light turns off. Likewise, this vertical extension solenoid is connected to O3.2. So if I set it to 1, the solenoid turns on, which in turn extends the cylinder using this valve. So if I set it back to 0 and set this one to 1, which is connected to the vertical retraction solenoid, it retracts the cylinder. Likewise, this one is connected to horizontal extension solenoid, so it controls this valve and extends the cylinder. Likewise, if I set it back to 0 and set this one connected to the retraction to 1, the cylinder retracts. Set it back to 0, and this one is connected to the solenoid of gripper extension. So if I set it to 1, the cylinder extends, and since there is no solenoid on the other side but a spring, so if I set this solenoid back to 0, this one gets deactivated and the spring pushes back the valve, in turn retracting the cylinder.